to day 13 of lockdown. Day 13 of lockdown. It is the 8th of April, Wednesday, and I'm taking you through Glenanda. This is the Glen Shopping Center on the left. You can see it's very quiet. If only it could be like this in the townships. It seems as if the people in the township think they are invincible to this COVID-19. The streets are really empty, yeah? It's a good sign. Happy to see it.
Back to doing homework. Yeah guys, you think you're out of school and you don't have homework? You'll grow up and find out you have even more homework. And this homework is manual labor. So, you guys seen I've been using this trusty old weeder for most of my grass cutting. Unfortunately, its head is damaged. So for that, we have a replacement head. So I first need to wrangle this head off. Once I have the head off, I can put the replacement one on and take more grass cutting videos for you. Doing all of this just for you. So let me wrangle this off. This thing is stuck at the moment. There we go. It's just spinning. I have to find a way to lock it and then untie it. As my engineer would say, get the right tool for the job. Yay! And there we have it. One more task completed. I'd like to know what you've done for your lockdown prep. What you've done to make sure that it's the most comfortable that you could make it. What have you done to make it a memorable one? Share it down in the comments below. One thing I've done, I got myself some desserts. Yeah, this is Nando's Peppermint Caramel Delight. It's an awesome one to have because it's freezable. It was packed a few days before the lockdown, so it's fresh. And I have an awesome treat to have now and then. When you check our food porn on previous videos, you'd see we had chocolate pot Thai pie something. We still have more of that. So yeah, give thanks. Something I didn't plan for was the weed eater. I was really worried that I couldn't get the spare parts for it. But we made a plan. Went around two hardwares. I know of two that's open. One is Jack's in Alberton at Bracken City. And the second one is at Walkerville Hardware, close to where I live. Walkerville Hardware was where I found my head for the Ryobi weed eater, brush cutter. But yeah, what have you done? What can you share that's open that is valuable? Share it. Looking forward to see your comments down below. I'm going to do some more soil prep. The soil prep I'm going to do today is for my starters. My starters I'm going to be doing is for in-ground and for hydroponics. The hydroponics is something I'm going to bring soon after lockdown. That's something I've dipped my hands in before. Hydroponics, aquaponics, done quite well, got good results. Now I can do it at my own place. What I'm going to be doing now is
I harvested soil like I showed you before, and I'm just gonna fill up these pots with fresh soil. Remember, when you're doing soil for seedlings, it needs to be fine. It needs to be something that the seeds can break through easily. There doesn't need to be a lot of nutrients in the soil because to live off its food within the seed, all you want it to do is to break up, germinate, and show its true leaves. Then you can feed it and you can prepare to transplant it. Let's start with the bigger ones. I'm stealing soil from my raised beds. This I'm still going to have to refill. I have broken pieces of ceramic pot at the bottom. This is going to help with drainage so the soil doesn't drain out of the pot, but it helps to assist with drainage and to ensure that we still have our soil left in the pot. Next I'm going to do my smaller pots. These are good ones for seedlings for planting directly in the soil. So we empty out what's inside and we fill. That's it for me for now, for today. I hope you enjoyed today's episode. See you again tomorrow for another one. Hopefully tomorrow we'll get to planting in these pots. Yeah, welcome winter planting. Hoping and praying for awesome winter harvest. Let's see what happens. Always keep up the faith. Remember, next week this time is the last day for the Corona 21-day challenge. We'll make it through, we'll make it strong. Give thanks.